Hello, and so in this video, we are going to talk about the difference between this copy and add in Docker. So basically, many people ask you this question in just to check your Docker understanding. Okay, so you can say both are used to just copy files only, but you get some extra benefits with add is that if you are copying some tar file or GIF file, anything in your image, so with add what will happen, it will unpackage the tar file automatically. And also one good thing you get is that if you want to download something from the internet in your image, if you need it, you can just give the URL using this add and the URL and the path, so it will download that into your Docker image. So both we are going to give the we are going to see the practical implementation. So let's see how we are going to do. So let me just create a Docker directory, and here I will create a file with name file.txt, and I will write something. This is a file, save it, open a Docker file, and in Docker file you can just do from Alpine, as we are going to use this Alpine image. Okay, Alpine क्या होता है यार, Alpine. Okay, you can set the work dir as slash app, and you can just use the copy to copy all your content. And if you just want name, you can just give the file.txt at the path of the working directory. In cmd we can just give cat, and the file name we know already, that is the file.txt. Okay, so you have to simply save it, run with the docker build hyphen t, and give the name of image anything, copy cont and dot. Okay, so yeah, image build ho gaya. Next, docker run, and you have to give the container name only. So you can see this is a file is coming up. Okay, so now to see the difference, now if I just do add also here, so add will also work perfectly fine, same as copy. There will be no difference. If I again build and run the image in front of you, you will see no difference. Okay, yeah, so same thing is coming up, right? Now the question is, if I just do the tar of this file.txt, tar.tz or file.txt. Okay, so it will be in this format. So manually, if you go, you need to run this xyzf command to just untar it in case of copy if you were doing. But in case of add, what will happen? It will automatically untar that thing. So tar.zz if I do, and here you need to pass the path. Okay, that is required in case of add. Otherwise, you will face an error. Okay, build is done. If I do run now, so you will see the same content is coming up. Okay, next thing is that I want to add a URL. So this is my GitHub repo. I will just go into this raw URL, which you can use to download that main.tf file, and we will what we are going to do, we will do the cat. Okay, so if I do this in add, instead of the zz, I can just paste this one, and instead of file.txt, I will see the content of my main.tf, and then we will see how it looks. So if I do the build, let's run the image again, so you can see the content of your like that main.tf file which was present here. So this is the basic difference between this copy and add, and it's a very like basic question which they ask like in interviews. So that's it for this video, and if you have any question, you can just ask in comment section. Anything, any feedback for me, that also you can just write, and please subscribe the channel for more interview questions. So that's it, and I will see you in the next one, guys. Thank you so much for watching.